Hey everybody, welcome to our weekend check-in video for Psych 45 Research Methods in Psychology for Saturday, May 1st. So first item here is that this Saturday, is the last day you can turn in your paper late, so to speak there. And remember the late policies, it's 10% for being late, and then it's an additional 5% for every 24-hour period after that. So if you're turning it in today, you're going to get dinged for a 10%, then 5%, then another 5% for turning it in late. So hopefully you've turned it in already there. Now, as soon as those are graded, I'll post an announcement and let you know about that. So just kind of sit tight until then. Next item here is that your most recent discussion for Chapter 13 on that descriptive research strategy. I had you watch one of those What Would You Do videos. So a lot of you submitted some really great comments about that, and I hope you enjoyed watching that. It's a particularly moving video, I think, this time. Again, one of the better ones they ever did, so I try to get the good stuff to show you, so I hope you enjoyed it, and also made you think a bit about how studies like that, or just setups like that, really can help us learn things about behavior when you just merely observe what happens after you set things up there. Next item is that your fourth exam for Unit 4 is this coming Monday through Wednesday, May 3rd through May 5th. So definitely take advantage of the study guide. As always, you'll find there at the bottom of Unit 4. And when you see the italicized portions with asterisks around it, those, of course, you know by now are going to be your short answer essay questions. So do prepare well for those. And as always, when you answer those questions on the exam, do not just copy and paste information from your textbook, because again, that's cheating and plagiarism, so you won't get points for doing that. Also, don't forget that your mind tap assignments for these three chapters there, 11, 12, and 13, are due tomorrow on Sunday by 11:59 p.m., right before your exam opens up there at midnight, so please make sure you've got them submitted by that time. Next item here is our last unit, Unit 5, will open up on this coming Tuesday, May 4th. And there's only two chapters in this unit, chapters 14 and 15. What you'll notice is that the following week there, on that Friday, May 14th, I have both of the discussions and both of the quizzes for both of those chapters due on the same Friday there. So just like we did for chapters 9 and 10, I just have to kind of double whammy you there for that week just to make sure everything fits in there neatly. So you'll get a reminder announcement about that too, but just a heads up now for the last two chapters in Unit 5, both the discussion and quizzes are due on the same day there on Friday the 14th. So obviously work ahead as you like. And regarding the final exam, which will be the week after those discussions and quizzes are due, you'll have your final exam. It's only over the last two chapters, chapters 14 and 15, and I'm very selective in the material that I cover from chapter 15 on the statistical analysis of data, so make sure you watch the lecture videos for that. And make sure you take a look at the lecture outlines there too, so you'll have a really good sense of what will be on the final exam. And even though it's only two chapters, there's a lot of material in both of those chapters, especially chapter 14, which I think is a really cool chapter on single case experiments. So you'll definitely hopefully find that intriguing there. And so the final exam is not going to be cumulative or comprehensive. It's just over those last two chapters. So I am merciful that way, so I don't believe in comprehensive exams, so I never like those, and so I don't do those to my students. So just hopefully you can breathe easier. Other than that, that's everything I wanted to say for this time. If you need anything, just reach out through email and I'll get back to you, as you know, if you've done that. And otherwise, hopefully I'll see some of you in our live session this coming Monday. It'd be great to see some of you. So otherwise, take care and hope you're having a good weekend.